today we'll be making golden milk. So it helps with insomnia. It also builds the immunity, and it is also a skinny recipe. So for this we will be adding 1 cup of milk. You can use a full fat milk. Then put the flame to medium to high. To this we will be adding about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to this. Do not add much honey. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. So I have taken dried ginger powder. You can also grate fresh ginger and you can add little of it. To this you can add cinnamon sticks, about 1 inch of cinnamon stick, or you can directly add cinnamon powder to it. To this you can also add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now you can increase the flame to high, and we are going to give a mix to this. We'll let the milk roll boil, and this will be ready to serve. Once the milk comes to a roll boil, you can switch off the flame. So you can dish out the turmeric milk. So our preparation is ready. Please take this milk before you sleep. It builds immunity. It also helps you to sleep. It helps me with my insomnia. For more such healthy recipes, please like, share and comment any recipes that you would want us to make. Please subscribe our channel, and thank you all of you for your support.
जाना वे मोहब्बत करते रहना रे हम मौसम चाहे जैसा भी हमेशा सब्सक्राइब रहना रे जाना वे कमेंट लाइक करते रहना रे हम मौसम चाहे कैसा भी हमेशा सब्सक्राइब रहना रे हो